Hey everybody,
Hi,
welcome back. And for this one, we're throwing
a charcoal.
a bicycle. And we must send this to Mom Mina also. Okay, so for this one, we're gonna make a weird little start. We're gonna have to start down here in the middle where the pedals are and the flywheel are. Okay, so first off, we draw a little circle just like that.
Okay.
Small one, okay, and now we draw a line coming out of that. And we square it off at the bottom there.
Yep.
And attached to that, we draw a little rectangle. And that's one of our pedals.
Yep.
So now we're going to draw an outer circle, and that's what's called a flywheel.
Okay.
It's part of the bicycle. And then up here, we draw a shorter bit, and we draw another rectangle there, and that's your other pedal on the other side.
Yep.
Okay, and so now the bike is mainly made up of a bunch of tubes. Okay,
Okay.
so up here we're going to draw. Okay, where do I put this? Just go up here. So from the pedal. Okay,
Yeah.
let's draw the top tube first. Let's draw the top tube first. We're going to draw a line that goes beyond the width of the flywheel, okay? So we just do that. Bicycle is a bunch of tubes and it's not easy to draw. And we do another one on top of that. So that is your top tube. Okay? Then up here, look here. We draw a little line but at an angle, and we draw the head tube. Because we're drawing a bicycle, this is how it works. And okay, so that's the head tube, this is the top tube, and from here we draw a line going down to the flywheel, and that's called the seat tube. And just like that. And from there we draw a little line, and there and there. Got it?
Yep.
From the seat tube we draw a line going like that, and from down here, from the flywheel again, we draw a line like that, and on there we draw a little circle. Look here, from that line there, the C tube, we draw another line from there, and from this one, we draw another line there. Got it?
Yep.
And then from the head tube again, we draw the down tube. And then from the head tube this side, we draw another line that goes all the way down, same height as the flywheel and such, and we draw a circle over there. And that's the fork of the bike.
Okay.
And from here, we can draw a line going up like that, curling back, and we add a little handle on there. And this is your handlebar. So that's what you're going to hold on to.
Yep.
It's a weird handlebar. That's fine. And now we draw a little post and sort of a rounded triangle shape. And that's a bicycle seat.
Yep.
So now to these little circles we did here, we're
Yep.
going to add big circles around that.
What?
But we're drawing them going behind these tubes, okay?
Yep.
So watch this. First circle. That's the wheel almost now.
Circle.
That's the wheel. And our second circle. And now we draw spokes. So we just add lines.
Yep.
Bicycle spokes. Yeah. The side again. We draw a circle. But it's going behind the, behind there. And we draw the second one properly. the back wheel, which is the tire, the back tire at least.
Yep.
And here we add spokes again. I can just add lines in there. Supposed to be many spokes, but yeah, we just add enough to make it look real, to make it look convincing. And we
Yep.
have enough spokes in here now.
Yep.
What's the final touch of a bicycle? What makes a bicycle go easy? It's a chain. So while you are pedaling here, the
Good.
chain is connected from the flywheel to the rear cog over there.
Yep.
So we just draw a line. All there and all there. And that's it. There we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our bike. I love your bike. It looks like a cartoony bike, but it looks cool. So what color is your bike gonna be? Blue, red, green, orange, yellow. I think my bike is gonna be green. Here we go. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
Izzy has a little pink bike with a blue seat and blue grips on his handlebar. And I have a green bike with a red seat and a red grip on my handlebars.
Yep.
So Izzy, why did we draw a bike today?
We got to ride the bike.
Because we were learning how to ride a bike
Oh,
today.
yes, actually, you wondering how many injuries I have. So,
You have 7 injuries.
yes.
That's good, my boy. That's how you learn how to ride a bike. You're gonna fall, but you get back up and you start riding again. Was that good? That's good. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Always remember to be good
And have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
Bye.